Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to extend the background of an image in Photoshop using generative fill. So I've already got my image opened up here, and if we take a look at the canvas size, it's 24.5 wide by 18.375 inches tall. So the size of this sign actually changed, and this is just the background image. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the height to our target size, which is going to be 36.5, so 36 inches with a 1/4 inch bleed on top and bottom. So once we've set our canvas size, you can see that we have all this space down here that needs to be filled. So what you're going to do is, with the layer selected and using just this rectangular marquee tool, just go ahead and grab a sliver of the graphic like so, and then draw it all the way up to fill the empty space within the canvas. Next, you're going to click Generative Fill, and don't type anything into the text prompt, just hit Generate a second time. And now Photoshop's doing its thing. And let's see what we get for results here. So that looks really good. So we're just going to go ahead and repeat the same process down here. And then once it's done generating this bottom part, just go ahead and save it as a Photoshop file, a PSD. Save it into the root of whatever order folder you're working within. Then you're good to go ahead and place it into Illustrator, and don't forget to embed the new Photoshop file. Thanks for watching.